Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's your favorite pomade aficionado, pomade reviewer, caged demon, back with another review, and that is for Nostalgic Grooming's Super Water-Based Firm Hold. Now, what makes this unique is that this is pretty much a step up from what you are to expect from the medium hold. So one of the complaints that Dave was getting at the time when he developed this was he was saying, some people were saying that it was too slick and that the medium didn't have enough hold. I personally feel like it was good just the way it was, but I like the idea of a firm hold water-based, especially because his medium was so good. So getting right into it, let's see what it's all about. The logo on this is similar to the other one in that all of them have these kind of these three tones right here of different colors, depending on the product, making it easier to notice from the rest. Same with the little symbol. This one is a homage to the Super Nintendo, which I think, you know, if you know about this, this was the Super Water-Based, which was based on Super Mario World. So I think that's a nice little tribute right there. Same thing as the other one, the ingredients on the side, the use it within a year, and the directions. Then on the top, the scent, which the scent that this one comes in is standard, is Clean Cut Citrus. Popping it open, the scent on this one, I mean, I don't know how to describe it. To me, I always thought it smelled kind of like a fruit bowl. Like, it smells a little bit more citrusy, obviously, but it just smells like a mashup of a bunch of fruit together. But it's not like super fruity. It comes off more of like, kind of like a crisp citrus. The ingredients on this one are very similar to the medium. It is distilled water, mango butter, beeswax, emulsifying wax, castor seed oil, cannadella wax, hydrogenated castor oil, glycerin, sunflower oil, avocado oil, PEG 40, hydrogenated castor oil, stearic acid, fragrance, vitamin E, and sorbic acid. So pretty similar, some slight differences, obviously. Scooping on this one, I'm going to show you on a new one right here so you can see the color on it. It has kind of like that little dimple right there, and the color on it is kind of the off-white. Scooping, you got to put some pressure into it. But I'm using, as you can see, I'm using the tip of my finger. So it's not really that bad. Some people say that they have a hard time scooping these products. You can use the back of your fingernail as well, and that seems to help out a lot. Breakdown on this one, it's not as easy as the medium, but it's definitely still easy. You can see I just warmed it up, and it's, well, other than the cracks I missed right there, it's pretty much already gone. So just take a couple of seconds and warm it up, and it'll be good. I think the common misconception about unorthodox pomades nowadays is that they have to all break down like a lotion in your hand, and that's not true. You know, some of them, because they have beeswax, this one too, take a little bit to warm up. The bigger the scoop, the more you have to warm it up. So for me, since I take bigger scoops, I like to warm it up real good. Application on this, and I keep comparing it to the medium, and I apologize for that, but that's because this is based off of the medium. So the application is drier, but still slick than the medium. You might feel some slight tugging and pulling. I personally don't feel anything, but I mean, it depends on how much stuff you put in. But I don't have an issue applying or using this product at all. Slicking it back, no issues. As you can see, there is some resistance, but not bad at all for a firm product. Something that you can expect out of Dave's products, because he puts mango butter in all of them, that all of the products feel really nice in the hair. And when you wash them out, and if they have when you wash them out and the buildup, both of those experiences are really, really clean for these. Styling with the Afro pick. Like I said, there's some tension, but nothing too bad. You can get some killer volume with this, and really easy to style. I think I'm almost done, actually. That's one thing that I really like about Dave's product. It's really nice, really slick for a firm, and kind of hides the waxiness well, and I think that the mango butter could definitely contribute to that. I think that about does it for me. This one isn't going to be too work safe, actually. I tried, but I'm going to school after work, so I don't really care. So what are my overall thoughts on this product? Well, I mean, it's good. It's like I said in my last review, I'm making this short and concise though, is that this does what you want it to do. It's really nice. It's an upgrade. So if you felt like you didn't get enough, if you didn't like the slickness in the medium, or you felt like you didn't get enough hold, then this will be right up your alley. I can definitely understand why this is one of Dave's best sellers. Like I said, I personally like the medium better, but I like slicker products. This stuff is good. It's a little dry, and my hair is getting long, so you'll see sometimes the little fringy ends want to stick up. You can hit that with a boar hair brush and it'll stick down. That's the one thing about Dave's stuff, is that some products will kind of like flare out, but this stuff works pretty good. The endurance, I would say it's maybe, I feel like it's similar to the medium, a little bit, a step up, obviously, so it's a firm, but I mean, the medium has really good endurance too. So definitely what this is just gonna give you is it's gonna feel a little bit weightier in your hair, and you're gonna have a lot less restyles being a firm. I think this is a solid, reliable product. My overall rating on this one, I am going to give this a 4.8 out of 5. This is an excellent pomade. I think that if this would be good for you, if you're looking for a step up from the medium, and you're not a fan of slicker products, then this one, it's still slick, but it's not, I feel like it's not as slick as the medium. So personally, I alternate between them. I tend to favor the medium. That's just me. But I do like the scent better on this one than the Fruit Scoop. Sometimes, you know, if you're in the mood for a novelty scent, this one definitely isn't that. So let me know what you guys think about this product if you've tried it. As far as I can tell, it doesn't have much of a change, if any, from the last one. The only thing that changed is the fancy new logo and top thing. Still good, still solid, still reliable. Have a good one, guys.